Imagine having a slab scanner with the accuracy of a static scanner. This is the OmniSLAM R8 Plus, a high-precision LiDAR scanner with 2mm level accuracy and point cloud thickness. In the kit, you will get the scanner, its logger, all the necessary cables, and a GNSS receiver. You will also get a backpack. We can set it up for handheld scanning and also with a backpack. For this example, we'll set it up with the backpack. To power on your OmniSLAM, first power on the sensor button, wait 5 seconds, then power on the master button. After the master button, wait 20 seconds, then turn on the camera. Let's now connect to the scanner and configure it for our first data collection. We'll connect to the scanner's Wi-Fi hotspot. We'll select the scanner, key in the password, select connect, tap for options, don't ask again, then select yes. We will now proceed to open the browser to enter the web user interface. We'll select on our browser. The IP address is already keyed in and we have connected to the scanner. We'll select on system, then select on the configuration icon. On the configuration icon, we can see that the network is on, so the dongle is giving us network. We can also set the camera collection. We'll use 0.5 seconds. For GNSS, we will use E300 Pro. Then select OK. Let's now configure our RTK. For RTK mode, we will use cores. We'll key in the address for our cores. The port is 2101. Our username, and also the password. We'll select get to get the node. We'll go through the list in order to select our correct base station. We've selected our mount point or node. Now we can select on connect. Once we have selected connect, you can see on differential, it now says yes. We can now go under project to create our new project so that we can start scanning. To initialize the scanner needs to be static. And the direction the scanner is facing, there should be no moving objects. Let's do this. We will go on to project, key in our project name, we'll select on start, then wait for the message that says that initialization is successful. As we can see on the message, initialization is completed. I can now put the scanner on my back and start working. After you've covered the area you want to scan, you can select Stop to stop the scanning. To download your data, you'll plug in a USB drive on the logger of the scanner, then select the file you want to download, then select Download. To download your data, go to Data, select the file you want to download, select on Refresh, then select Copy. The files are now being copied to your USB drive. This was our first scan with the OmniSLAM R8 Plus. In the next video, we'll look at the data.